welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great, amazing and fab. Today's video is a review video for you guys, and I'm gonna be doing a review on the Kama Ayurveda Organic Moringa Oil. Kama Ayurveda provide all skincare product, guys. Kama Ayurveda is a well-known brand. It's a huge brand, guys. They asked me for a collaboration, so I had to say yes. I said yes, and they sent me this product right here. Thank you so much, Kama Ayurveda, for sending me this product. So if you want to know what this particular product does to your skin, then please proceed. So this is what the packaging looks like. It comes in a cartoon box like this. So it says on the front side of the packaging, it says Kama Ayurveda Organic Moringa Oil, Anti-Pollution and Hydrating, Cold Pressed and Pure. The MRP of this product is 1450 rupees. You will get 100 ml of product. So yeah, this is what the packaging looks like. On the back side of the packaging, it says Moringa or the drumstick tree is indigenous to India and it is extensively used in Ayurveda. Kama Ayurveda Organic Moringa Oil is rich in antioxidant which restores the skin, protective barriers, strengthening against pollutions and environmental aggressors. The high acid content provides hydration and helps combat dry skin. And the direction, like how to use this product, is that take 3 to 4 drops of moringa oil and massage on skin in circular motion. Using fingertips, allow it to work for 20 minutes. Cleanse using any Kama Ayurveda face cleanser of your choice. Good thing about this oil is that you don't have to use only for your face, but you can also use it for body. Main ingredient of this oil is moringa seed, guys. Moringa seeds are very good for your skin. Google it and you will get a lot of benefits about moringa seeds. So yeah, the main ingredient here in this box is moringa seeds. Also guys, I would like to let you know that Kama Ayurveda is cruelty free, vegan and organic, 100% organic. So yeah, they are all Gucci. This is what the outer packaging looks like. So once you open this box right here, this is what you're gonna get inside. Like, this is the actual product. Really like the packaging of the actual product. This oil comes in a bottle like so, and it has a cap and it has a nozzle. So I really like the packaging. You need to pump this down to get the product out, and the size is not that huge. It is quite travel friendly. You can easily carry this along with you anytime, anywhere. Perfect. So yeah, you don't have to worry about the leakage, anything. So it's a perfect packaging. The texture of this product is, you know, medium-ish, I can say. It's not runny, it's not that liquidy. It is thick, but you know, medium plus thick kind of consistency. I really like the nozzle of this product because you don't just have to pump this down, get the product onto your fingertips and then apply. You can, you know, directly apply like this. Like, you can pump this bottle down and the product comes on directly onto your skin. This oil right here, it's very easy to use, guys. You just need to take a little bit, 2 to 3 drops of this oil onto your fingertips, and you need to massage in a circular motion. And you know, you need to leave this product onto your face for at least 20 minutes if you're using onto your facial. I mean, if you're using to your face, then you need to leave it for 20 minutes. If you are using for your body, then you need to leave this product on your skin for at least 30 minutes. Then after leaving this product on your face for 20 minutes, you need to wash your face with the lukewarm water. I wash my face with the lukewarm water. This product do have a smell, guys. How can I describe? Like, this product have oil smells, but it's on a bitter side. So yeah, it does smells little bit bitter, but it is not that strong. It is mild. have a bitter smell, but it does not linger onto your face after using this product. It vanishes away as soon as you wash off your face. So yeah, the smell is not something extremely strong. It's mild smell, you know. I must say you guys, this oil is so hydrating. Now I have extreme dry skin, guys. I am a dry skin type. So yeah, this oil, after using this oil onto my face, after massaging and leaving it on for 20 minutes, after washing my face, I did not feel any dryness or pullingness, but I did feel like applying a moisturizer, because maybe because I have a habit of applying a moisturizer as soon as I wash my face. But I did apply the moisturizer, but it is very hydrating, guys. Your skin will not feel any dryness or pullingness after using this product. If your skin is acne prone skin, then I think you should try this oil, because it contains antioxidant, so it's gonna help you a lot. It help your skin, and it's gonna act as a fighter to your pimples. So yeah, it do have antioxidant properties, and it do hydrate your skin. So yeah, I did not feel any dryness or pullingness after using this oil. Using this product since 1 week, and I must tell you guys, I did not feel any what do we say, product allergy. Yeah, I did not feel any allergy reaction onto my skin. Also, this product have become my everyday routine. Like whenever I wake up, I wash my face. I massage my face with this oil, then I wash my face with the lukewarm water, and yeah, my skin feels so hydrated. After using this product and after washing this product out from your skin, the water runs out. How do I explain you guys? Like the water literally runs out, it does not stay on the skin. So that's hydrating. During this season, if your skin tends to flakes out, if you have a dry skin like me, if your skin tends to flakes out, or dry, it tends to pull out your skin during the season, then I think you should definitely try Kama Ayurveda Moringa oil. It is the best and it is go-to product for this particular season. Yeah guys, that's pretty much for today. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then please do not forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet done. The subscribe button is right on the screen. Hit on the subscribe button. It may not hurt you, but it will definitely mean a lot to me. Also hit on the bell button so that you get notified every time I post new videos or updates. What the hell is this? Anyways, I'll see you guys super soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye guys.